You've saved up and bought land or a house in Nigeria? Congratulations! But before you celebrate, there's one step you can't skip: property registration. Think of it like owning a car without the papers. You might have the keys, but you can't prove it's yours. Registration is your legal proof of ownership. In Nigeria, where land disputes are common, this is your best protection. Without registration, someone else could claim your property, and you'd struggle to prove them wrong. A registered property is more valuable and easier to sell. Buyers want assurance, and banks require registration before giving loans. Unregistered property is a dead asset. You can't leverage it for financial growth. Registration also makes inheritance simple, preventing family disputes and securing your legacy. It's not just about you, it's about building generational wealth. The process might seem long, but the peace of mind is worth it. Don't risk your investment. Register your property. It's the foundation of true ownership and security. Let's see how the process works. Here's how to register your property in Nigeria, step by step. First, conduct a search at the land registry. Never skip this. Your lawyer checks the property's history, ownership, and any legal issues. If the coast is clear, your lawyer prepares a deed of assignment, transferring ownership from seller to buyer. Both parties sign the deed in the presence of witnesses. Next, you need the governor's consent. Under Nigerian law, all land belongs to the state, so the governor must approve any transfer. Your lawyer submits the deed and other documents to the Land Bureau for this consent. After approval, pay stamp duty to the tax authorities. This validates your documents. Then, return to the land registry to officially register your deed. Registration creates a permanent government record of your ownership. If the property doesn't have a certificate of occupancy, you can now apply for one. Each step is crucial. Miss one, and your ownership isn't secure. Let's talk about why you need a lawyer for all this. Don't try to cut corners. Thinking of handling property registration yourself? Don't. A property lawyer is essential. They protect your interests and spot red flags you'd miss. They conduct the vital land registry search, interpret records, and check for legal or planning issues. Lawyers draft and review all documents, ensuring your rights are protected and there are no hidden traps. They guide you through the governor's consent process and handle all paperwork. A good lawyer shields you from scams and costly mistakes. They deal with government offices, follow up on your applications, and keep you informed. Legal fees are an investment in your property's security. Don't risk your life savings. Hire a professional. Now let's see why due diligence pays off. Vigilance is your best friend. Scams are common. Never pay in full until your lawyer confirms the seller's title. Be wary of rushed deals and always verify the seller's identity. If buying from a family, ensure all key members consent to the sale. Visit the property at different times and talk to neighbors for extra insight. Completing registration gives you legal protection and peace of mind. Your property becomes a secure asset and part of your legacy. Official registration shields you from fraud and disputes. The process takes patience, but the reward is a secure, valuable investment. Follow the steps, use a lawyer, and protect your future. True ownership is the best gift you can give yourself and your family.